Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to utilize the Wizardry nail glue and the Wizardry nail remover. This is a total game changer. So what this is an air dry nail glue that's going to give you a really strong bond without a UV light. So we're going to start off today by utilizing the Wizardry nail glue. So I'm going to show you how to apply it on a jelly tip. This is right here on the shape medium almond. So what you do is you just go ahead and you're going to get a little bead right onto that tip of the nail, and you only need a very small bead. And then once you have that bead on the nail, you're going to go ahead and just make sure you line up that jelly tip exactly where you want it, and then go ahead and just move right here that glue up and down on the nail just to kind of spread it out a little bit, and then go ahead and press down once you have that nail completely straight and where you want it. And then you're going to press that nail down for a few seconds. I held it down for about 10 seconds, and then I went ahead and then lifted it up just to kind of see where everything was laying, and then I went ahead and pressed it down again. And then once everything is dry, it takes about 10 seconds, then that nail is completely bonded to your natural nail. Then to clean up any of that extra glue, this is an optional step. You can go in with an orange wood stick and just gently remove any of that extra glue, or you can use a flat brush just to clean everything up. But that is as easy it is to apply a full coverage tip using that Wizardry nail glue. It is a game changer, and it's super fast to apply your tips now with this. And the best thing is, if you mess up or if a nail is crooked, you can easily resolve that by using the next step, which is the Wizardry remover. So what we're going to do to remove this tip, I'm going to go ahead and place my finger in warm temperature water, and we're going to let this soak for about 2 minutes so we can let that cuticle area line soften up a little bit. That's going to be really helpful when it comes into that removal process. It just helps speed things up. So once we soak that for about 2 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and make sure we remove any extra water that may be left behind. Now it's time to play with the Wizardry nail glue remover. This is such a fun product. Now for an effortless pop off, this is what I found worked best for me personally. I did one drop right underneath the tip of the nail like you see here, and I'm just gonna let that hang out for about 15 seconds, just to kind of work through that nail glue a little bit. And then once the 15 seconds is up, I'm gonna go in with an orange wood stick, and I'm just gonna move that product around just a little bit. And then once we go ahead and do that, I'm gonna do one drop right near the cuticle line and work that product. I see how I did like a half a C. I really focused that product right by the cuticle line, and then I waited about 20 seconds, and then I'm just carefully using an orange wood stick, and look at this, it is just coming off. I'm just ever so gently removing that tip effortlessly, and voila, that nail is completely gone. And this was so fun, and just look at that, it was like magic right before her eyes. That tip came right off. Such a great combination of the nail glue and this remover. And if you have any extra nail glue, you can add more remover to that nail and then just go in with an orange wood stick, and you can just gently remove any of that extra glue residue and then just wipe it off. But what a game changer. I never have been able to apply a set of jelly tips so fast before. And then if you mess up, you have the option to remove it to really make sure that the nail is straight. And then when you want to change out your nail set after a week or two, you can go ahead and use that Wizardry nail remover. But definitely a game changer when it comes to nail glue. And again, you don't need a UV light. And even though we use this glue today with a full coverage jelly tip, you can even utilize this with your half nail tip. So you have best of both worlds when it comes to playing with this amazing Wizardry nail glue. All right, so everything that we use in today's video can be found in that description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.